y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'm going to make you all some old-fashioned sweet potatoes, getting you ready for Thanksgiving. And here's the things I'll be using. I'll be using some sugar, honey, vanilla extract, nutmeg, butter, and lemon. And here's a sweet potato. When I'm cooking sweet potatoes, I like the small ones because they're more sweeter. You know, when you do sweet potatoes and they're white on the inside, that means they have dried out. And the smaller they are, the better they taste to me. So, and I'm going to show you how I do my sweet potato. What I do, I take them. You can even use this. I don't like using this. It's too, you can use it. I use this, or you can use a knife. But the reason I don't use this, I like the knife because for me, it's easy to do. Everybody says I'm dangerous with a knife, but I rather peel them because when you peel them, to me, it's easier. Now, some people like to use that peeler, but I like to cut mine with a knife. And I just take them and just cut them small. Long time ago, we used to slice them, but now I see most people just cutting them in little circles. So I got all, I'm peeling them. And when you do use that peeler, you save a little bit, you have more, just a little bit come off with the knife, but you don't have to keep, you know, having skin on. With the peeler, to me, it leaves too much skin on. You have to recut it. Okay, and this is what I do. I cut mine like this, make circles. Just because you gotta have a sharp knife. This knife ain't sharp as could be. Okay. And here is the one over here in this skillet that I already have cut up. And that's how I cut mine up. I'm going to get back with you when I start putting the ingredients in the pan. Okay, I introduce you all to the ingredients. So what I do, I just take, this is white sugar. Some people use brown, it's up to you. I like white sugar. To me, I like that better. I've tried brown sugar in mine, but I like the white. And I go all around my sweet potatoes. That's what I do. You're probably going to add more sugar once they get done. And I put a stick of butter. It doesn't matter how you do it. I just use, and to me, when you're cooking sweet potatoes, try to use, if you can afford, try to use real butter because it'll give it a better flavor. And if I need some more butter, I will use it. I'm putting some vanilla extract, you know, putting it all around my sweet potato. And you can use vanilla flavor if you can't afford the extract, because I went in the stove. Things are so hot. So you might come out, they said vanilla flavor and extract almost the same. I don't know, because I never use flavor. And I'm putting some nutmeg in mine. I don't put very much ingredients in mine, because I don't like all of that. I don't like cinnamon. Some people put marshmallows. I don't like all of that. And I will be using, I'm using some honey. Honey make it taste good. Just try it this way or try it the way you usually do it. But if you try my way, you'll see how good the honey, the nutmeg, and the extract. That's all you really need. And I also put a lemon. I squeeze the lemon in there. Okay, squeeze my lemon over it. Just go all the way around it with lemon. Lemon make it taste really good. Some people have never used lemon, but try it, and it gets a very good taste. And that's to it. I'm going to cut the stove on. Put a little bit more. I'm going to start doing the ingredients again. This is a nutmeg. And here's sugar. Just a little sugar. Like I said. So I'm going to cut my stove on. I'm going to let these cook. You don't let them cook till they get tender. Okay, my sweet potato are almost done. Not quite. See how pretty they look with this syrup on them? And all of this stuff I put in them. When they're oranges, yellows, whatever color this is, they taste so much better. Like I said, try to use the small ones if you can, because sometimes the big ones, they don't taste as good as the small ones to me. So I'm turning them over and letting them cook, and that's all my ingredients I use. And you can cover them too so they can cook quicker. They'll soften up quicker if you put a lid on top of them. But I'm just watching mine. Okay, I'm going to get back with you. Once they get almost done, I'm going to taste one of them and see how much I need. But with all this syrup in here, I don't really need too much or nothing. Okay, then. Get back with you. Okay, see how good these look? This is what you call candy yams. I got about 5 more minutes on them. They look so good, and I know they're gonna taste good. Look at that, all the syrup and stuff. Just cook them like I told you, and make sure if you can, get the smallest sweet potatoes so you can get the best results. You know, sometimes you can't find them, but if you can, pick over the smallest one. And they also have that golden yam that's in a already pre-wrapped that you can buy too. I couldn't find none of those, but I always get them. You can find them during Thanksgiving and different, holidays. Okay, I got about 5 more minutes on these. These look, I know they're gonna taste. I'm gonna taste them in a few minutes, and I'm gonna see what I know. I don't need nothing in. See all this syrup on them? That's how they're supposed to look. Okay, I'm gonna get back with you. Thank you all for tuning in to my delicious sweet potatoes. They are candied and they're kind of fried. Share this video with friends and family, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you, and have a great day.